Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn fix blurry WhatsApp status. So the first step is go to the WhatsApp app, and this process is really simple. So you go to these 3 points in the superior part on right in WhatsApp app. You pick here and you pick in settings. In this part you go to chat and you pick here. So you need to activate this option of media visibility. So if you don't have activated this option, the only thing you need to do is this: you pick here and here is turn off. So if you pick again, that's it, you activate the option. So that is the only thing you need to do. I hope this solution was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.